What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721, checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. But before we get into this box right here, I want to take a peek at what's in the background. As you can see right here, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High Brotherhood, representing Michael Jordan's fraternity, Omega Psi Phi. These right here, I believe, is slated for release February 24th. But if you want to pick these joints up, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. They are shipping out right now as we speak. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see right here, we have the Air Jordan Retro 3. They doing like a little split top box where you have the elephant print on one side and the color that's on the shoe on the other side. Taking a look at the box label, white, light curry, and cardinal red. Now let's go ahead and flip the box up. As you can see, we have the elephant print right here on the paper. Let's go ahead and peel that back and let's get into the shoe. The Cardinal 7s is the inspiration for these Air Jordan Retro 3s. As you can see right here from the front profile of the shoe, we have that University Gold Jumpman on the tongue. Going down to the eyelets, we have the hits of Cardinal Red sitting on top of the elephant print. And we have the University Gold eyelets right here on the bottom. Nice leather right here. It kind of reminds you of like the Air Jordan Retro 3, the UNCs that recently just released. Cardinal red going around the midsole, white accent inside of the clear air bubble, going around to the bottom of the shoe, all gray outsole, red Jordan branding, going around to the heel of the shoe, no Nike Air branding, nothing behind the heel tab either. Taking a look at the insole, kind of got like a little satin feel to it. Red insole with the white Jumpman logo. Definitely super clean. I love any Air Jordan Retro 3s that kind of stick to the OG colorway with the white upper, elephant print, any color right here on that midsole and that sock liner, they just automatically just pop. If you want to pick these joints up right now, you can do so on FineLine1721.com. They are in hand and shipping now ahead of the release date of February 19th. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.